एक राजकारणात एक रिफ्लेक्टिव्ह पॉज सदांच तूं जर फॉरवर्ड केन्ना केन्ना पॉज बटन दाबता यू समटायम्स गो इनटू एन रिफ्लेक्टिव्ह पॉज विचार करता आतां हें कितें चल्लां खूब जाणांक पळोवंक ना कितें जालांच तें तातूंत घुसपून आनी कितेंच करप जालें तें सारकें पॉज एंड थिंक एंड टेक द रायट स्टेप.
विजय सरदेसाई तपस्या
Tapasya is for old men. I am not that old. I am reflecting and I am on pause. There is nothing much one can do and one cannot start blaming this government immediately because you have to give them time. One thing one has to be fair to anybody in power. No the Mantri, the PWD Mantri now all how much is he aware how much water is required for whom? Going pressure going bill पावला खंयचे वेस्टर्न बायपास कितले अमाउंट स्टेट्सांचेर आसा ही हॅज टू ऑल्सो लर्न द रोप्स फॉर सम आय थिंक वन हॅज टू गिव देम सम टायम बिफोर यू मेक अ जजमेंट.
आर यू इन रिलॅक्स मोड और
आय एम ऑलवेज रिलॅक्स यू थिंक आय एम
लायक ते मुंबई तू मॅच बी एन्जॉय करतना
हांव सगळें हांव आय एन्जॉय माय लायफ हांव ऑल रात गोंयकार.
पण तुजी पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रॅटेजी मुखार कितें आसतलें?
पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रॅटेजी म्हणून ते रिफ्लेक्टिव्ह पॉज विचार करप आनी मागीर कितें ती स्ट्रॅटेजी करप. आतां कितें आहा काडली जीब लायली ताळ्याक हें जर करूंक गेलो जाल्यार सगळेच करतात हांव ते कॅटेगरीन पडना. हांव आतां विचार करून कितें करप तें सगळ्यां खातीर बरें आनी गोंयकारां खातीर बऱ्याक स्टेप मारप.
You are part of the opposition or you are independent?
I am not supported the government. See, I continue with this thing that I am neither required for this government, neither have they asked me to support them, nor have I supported them. So they are 25, they are there in a majority, and therefore I am in the opposition. I voted for the speaker for Adesh Sigen.
You are part of the opposition.
Of course I am part of it. And I am. It is not about being opposition, but you cannot be opposition for the sake of being opposition. See, there are many. We learn now that Congress is talking about united opposition. When you talk about united opposition, when you require others, but when others require you, you say not united. We are alone. We can win all the 41 seats when there are 40. One has to reflect and think over this.
Opposition leader has made a call to all former Congress leaders to come back. You were part of the Congress that time. Is that appeal to you also, or
opposition leader has recently joined the Congress? So
was there any proposal to support ruling government?
So many proposals, so many people talk so many things.
So
nothing has been taken at the moment.